Hello, everybody. Today we are going to learn about compound words. Welcome to my channel, and if you like my video, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So now let's start with this interesting topic, that is compound word. Now you must be thinking, what is the meaning of this word compound word? Many questions must be coming in your mind. What is a compound word? Is it difficult? Is it easy? Let me be very clear. It's very simple and you will understand it in an easy way. So what is a compound word? A compound word is about two words which are put together to make a new words with a new meaning. Now in short, two different words, when they come together, they give us a new word which has a different meaning. To make it further simpler, I am giving you examples for compound word. Now see the word butterfly. Butterfly is made by adding the word butter and fly. Butter is something that we apply it on the bread, whereas fly is an insect that we see it sitting it on the garbage or on some dirty places. But when we combine both the words together, we get butterfly. Butterfly is a type of an insect, and you can also frame a sentence using the word butterfly in it. The butterfly is colorful. See the next example, sunflower. Again, the word sunflower is a compound word because it is made by adding two words, sun and flower. Sun shines during the day, whereas flowers grow in the garden. But when I combine both the words sunflower, sun and flower, I get the word sunflower. Sunflower is a type of flower. It's very beautiful. And you can frame a sentence, the sunflower is beautiful, or else you can also write, it is a yellow sunflower. Let's take the next example, rainbow. The word rainbow is made by two words, rain plus bow. Now rain occurs in the rainy season, whereas bow is something that you put it on your neck, or girls have it on their frock. Okay, but when I club both these words together, I get the word rainbow. Now rainbow consists of 7 colors, and rainbow mark the end of the rainy season. I enjoy watching the rainbow. This is the sentence you can frame, or you can make some other sentence. Let's go to the next example, cupcake. Again, the word cupcake is a compound word because it is made by adding two words together, cup and cake. Now cup has a different meaning, cake has a different meaning, but together we got the word cupcake. Now cup is a crockery in which you pour tea and you drink it, or you pour your milk and you drink it. And cake is something that we cut it on some happy moments like your birthdays, your mama daddy's anniversaries. But when I combine both the words cup and cake, I get the word cupcake. Cupcake is a delicious eatery that we eat it. Watermelon. Again, the word watermelon is a compound word. It is made by adding the two words, that is water and melon. We all know what water is and how important water is and why we should save water. Now the word melon. Melon is a fruit, but water plus melon is giving me watermelon. So watermelon is a compound word and watermelon is a fruit. So my favorite fruit is watermelon. Children, I want to give you one extra information about watermelon. Watermelon consists of 90% of water. So it is very soothing when you eat it in summer season. The word raincoat is a compound word because it is made by adding two words together, rain and coat. I had already told you about rain when we were learning the word rainbow. Now coat is something that we wear. Okay, so rain plus coat is giving me raincoat. Raincoat is my rainy season wear. We wear raincoat in the rainy season. You can frame a sentence, the color of the raincoat is yellow. I have a yellow raincoat, so that is why I am writing the color of the raincoat is yellow. Now whatever is the color of your raincoat, you can mention that color and you can frame a sentence of your own choice. Handbag. The word handbag is a compound word. Why? Because again we can see there are two words in that, hand and bag. We all have how many hands? We've got two hands, right? So we can see our hand and bag. Bag is something that your mummy carries when she goes in the market to buy some groceries. So hand plus bag is giving me the word handbag. Again, handbag is something that ladies they use it. I have different color of handbags and I like to use handbag whenever I go out of my house. Now see, you can frame a sentence using the word handbag. Carla wants to buy a pink handbag. Goldfish. The word goldfish is a compound word because again it is made by adding the two words together, gold plus fish. We go in the jewelry shop to buy gold, and fish is something that is a water animal. We also have fish tank, we put fish in that, but gold plus fish together is giving me goldfish. Now goldfish is a type of a fish. The goldfish is in the bowl. Or you can also write the goldfish is very pretty. The word pancake is again a compound word because it is made by adding two words together, pan plus cake. Mama makes egg in the pan. Okay, you see pan in your kitchen. And cake again is like your mama makes cake. We go in the cake house to buy cake whenever we have a birthday celebration or your mama daddy's anniversary. But pancake is a sweet dish that we eat. Okay, the pancake is delicious. Or you can also frame a sentence saying, I like to eat pancake. Doghouse. The word doghouse is a compound word because it is made by adding two words together, that is dog and house. Now dog is a pet animal, okay, and house is where we stay. So dog plus house is giving me dog house. So dog house is a shelter for the dog. You see, you can frame a sentence also on this. A dog house is a small shelter for dog. Or you can also write, I have built a small dog house for my pet dog. Wheelchair. The word wheelchair is a compound word because it is made by adding two words together, wheel and chair. Wheel, we see wheels on the bus, on the train, on your motorbike, on your car. And chair is a furniture on which we sit. But wheelchair is altogether a new word which has a different meaning. We have seen patients sitting on the wheelchair in the hospital. It is used when we are not well, when we are not able to walk, when we have fractured our legs, or it is mostly used by the elderly people, the old people. You can also frame a sentence using the word wheelchair. The color of the wheelchair is red. Teapot. Again, the word teapot is a compound word because it is made by adding two words together, tea and pot. We drink tea in the morning. Sometime most of the people they drink tea in the evening also. And pot is a utensil that we see it in the kitchen. So teapot is altogether a new word which has a different meaning, and we put and we put tea in the teapot. Catty wants to buy a new teapot. Earrings. The word earring is a compound word because it is made by adding two words together. Ear plus rings. We've got two ears. You can touch your ears. And rings. We wear rings on the fingers. But earrings is a new word, and girls wear earrings on their ears. The pair of earrings is elegant, or you can also write, I have a beautiful pair of earrings with me. Mailbox. The word mailbox is a compound word because it is made by adding two words together. Mail plus box. We all have our email IDs and we receive emails in that. Okay, so mail, we send mail, we receive mail. Box is a small container in which we store the things. And mailbox altogether is a new word in which, mailbox is somewhere the postman goes and he collects whatever letters we put in the mailbox. So the mailbox is full of letters, or you can frame some other sentence also on the word mailbox. Football. Mostly the boys like to play football, but football is a compound word and it is made by adding two words together, foot and ball. We've got 2 feet. When it is 2, we call it as feet, but when it is 1, it's a foot. So foot and ball. So together it gives you football. The boys are playing football. Starfish. It is same like goldfish. I don't think I have to explain you about starfish. Doorbell. Now doorbell again, it is made by adding two words together. Door plus bell. We all have doors in our classroom, in our house, and at many places. And we've got bell in the school bell rings. We have got bell on the door. But doorbell together is a new word that means the doorbell is there near the door. The doorbell is not loud enough. This is the sentence, but you can make the sentence of your own choice. Thank you so much, children.